So this is a Pixel 3 that I received from Google. Doesn't work. Has the boot loop issue. I keep flashing back to the Google logo anytime I try to do something. This happened overnight. I had the phone for maybe 2 weeks. It doesn't even charge now. I don't know why. And then I reach out to Google. I get this one, which is a refurb. Guess what? It's still under someone else's account. Maybe a little hard to see on this phone, on this camera, but there are scratches all over the display. And because it's under someone else's account, I can't get in to factory reset the device. I have two black Pixel 3 duds sitting on my apartment that I can't do anything about. And Google is refusing to send me a new device for their defective devices. This is what's happening.